Oh, I see a little bass back there. Fish on. Oh, best fish of the day for sure. Ooh! Oh, what's going on, guys? Today is September 21st. It's about 9:30 a.m. So the other day I went by Walmart and I was able to buy some more jig heads. I had a little Tupperware container that had jig heads in them, but I can't seem to find it right now. So I was able to replace those jig heads. So my plan today is to basically just fish this power bait that was sent in by Mark. I fished this a little bit last year and I had a bit of success on it. I'm back at a creek that I normally go to, but I'm gonna head in an opposite direction and explore. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rigged up and get started. I wasn't able to get anything in the first 10 minutes. I did get a couple of bites, but I wasn't able to hook into anything. So I walked up the creek a little bit. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I just saw a little panfish swimming in this direction. So hopefully I can hook into something. This area looks super good. There we go. Whew, finally. All right, I was finally able to hook into fish number one, little bluegill. Let's get him back. I feel a little bit better about my decision to go upstream. Oh, another. All right, back-to-back cast. And what do we got here? All right, so I'm not certain if this is a bluegill green sunfish hybrid or what, but pretty fish, man. All right, back-to-back cast. Okay, so let's try that one more time. Under that tree. Yep. And looks like another, either just a straight bluegill or a hybrid. Alright, so I decided to go up in a lure size just a little bit. I'm going to work this little brush pile over here to see if there's any bass or anything hiding in it. Other than that, I'll probably just scale back down as I fish these waters just because it's so shallow. But I've actually found a few pockets that are a little bit deeper, so I might use this on those pockets as I head back down, but we'll see. Alright, so giving that spot a rest, moving more upstream. Gonna fish this little area right here. Still have on the Berkley power bait. I think they're honey worms, but that's what seems to be getting the job done. Just got hit. And also there's sun over here, and I was actually getting pretty cold. My hands are numb. My hands always get numb in the winter and fall pretty quickly. I think people say that's poor circulation. So maybe I have poor circulation. Oh, fish on. Oh, red breast. Nice. All right, first red breast of the day. So far, we've definitely been getting a variety to get them back. Yeah, I was saying, I've heard that your hands getting numb quick is a sign of poor circulation. It's crazy because my feet are, soaking in this water, and my feet are perfectly fine. But my hands, I'm getting bit. Oh, another fish. My hands are definitely numb. Bluegill. Oh, the sun feels so good, man. You have no idea. I have no idea where I cast that. Hopefully it wasn't over that branch. Couldn't see what I was doing. There we go, fish on. Red breast. Or no, long ear. Crazy colored long ear, man. Whoa! Man, look at this guy's colors. Crazy. So I just got a long ear, man. Look at the colors on this guy. Crazy. Oop. Wrong way, man. Oh, I see a little bass back there. Fish on. Oh, best fish of the day for sure. Ooh. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. This guy's got a chunk missing out of him. Man, got this. So just hooked into the largest fish of the day for sure. Look at this red breast. This thing took a chunk out of him, probably a herring or something. Let's get him back. Okay, so today is turning out to be a great day of fishing. I thought that might have been a bass over there, but maybe it's just a large red breast. At least that's what took this on that cast. Hidden little gem back here. Oh, got hit. Oh, there we go. All right, and looks like so my hands are finally starting to get their feelings back. My right hand's completely good. My left hand is not great yet. What did I do? There we go. What do we got? Another bluegill. There we go. And bluegill be the last fish of the day for sure. Oh, let himself go. Alright, well that turned out to be an excellent day of fishing. I'm gonna go ahead and call it for the day. But anyways, I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will catch you on the next one. Until then, take care. Oh, fish on. Bonus catch. Another red breast.